Hi there, my name's Karen Crookes and I'm from Sunflower Stitches. So we are carrying on today with our theme of embroidery on our blocks. We are going to focus on hand embroidery for this session. Now a stem stitch is a lovely stitch that lays next to each other, and you'll see a stem stitch in this block here. Now you can take this one step further by doing a backstitch. So a backstitch means that you're starting with a running stitch, you're coming up to as if you were to create a second running stitch, but you're going back down the same hole that the running stitch started. So what we've done is we've covered 4 stitches. So we've done our stem stitch, we've done our running stitch, we've done our backstitch and our French knot.